Ornamental fishes are also known as living jewels. Ornamental fish culture is the culture of colorful, attractive fishes of various characteristics that are reared in confined aquatic ecosystems. Because they are reared in confined aquatic systems, there is a chance of various diseases. Here we are discussing freshwater ornamental fish diseases. First of all, we can define a disease. A disease can be defined as an abnormal condition of a fish characterized by gradual degeneration of its ability to maintain normal physiological conditions. The normal physiological functions includes locomotion, feeding and other things, but in case of any disease there is a chance of change in locomotion, then abnormal swimming, slow growth and finally mortality. Then classification of ornamental fish diseases. Ornamental fish diseases are generally classified into two. First one, infectious diseases, and second one, non-infectious diseases. Infectious diseases are mainly bacterial, fungal, viral, parasitic and protozoan, while non-infectious diseases include ammonia poisoning, nitrite poisoning, gas bubble disease, nutritional cataract and last one, genetic disorders. Then come to bacterial diseases. The main bacterial diseases occurring in ornamental fish industry is Mycobacteriosis, dropsy, phenanthryle rot, cottonwood disease or cottonmouth disease. Come to the first one, cottonmouth or mouth fungus or mouth rot disease. This disease is caused by Chondrococcus columnaris bacteria. Also, this disease is known as columnaris disease. This disease mainly occurs due to stress, poor water quality, injury, inadequate diet and unstable or pH. Mainly in pH, if the pH is unstable, this disease mainly occurs. The main symptoms are first, a white or grey-white line occurs on the lips of the fish, followed by white fungus-like structure spouting from the mouth. This is the major symptom of columnaris disease. Then come to the treatment. First treatment is 45-minute bath treatment with tetracycline or potassium permanganate. We can use both tetracycline or potassium permanganate for the bath treatment. If we are using tetracycline, we can use prolonged bath for 2 days at 15 mg per liter. These are the main symptoms. First, we can see a white line around the lips and gradually it covers like a fungus growth spouting from the mouth. It is the main symptom of columnaris disease. Second disease is Mycobacteriosis caused by bacteria Mycobacterium piscium. This is mainly occurs due to overcrowding and poor water quality. The main symptoms are fish become lethargic, hollow bellied, fried fins, have fin and scale loss, finally loss of appetite. In later cases, there is a chance of occurrence of yellowish or darker nodules on the eyes or any part of the body and they deform the fish. Coming to a treatment, there is no absolute treatment for mycobacteriosis, but there is a possible chance of recovery for fish if we are treating with kanamycin and vitamin B6 for a period of 30 days, but it is not effective 100%. And another treatment is destroy the infected fish as early as possible. This is a picture of a fish affected with mycobacteriosis. It finally deformed the fish completely. Then come to dropsy, causative organism, Aeromonas hydrophila. It mainly infects the kidney of the ornamental fish, causing fluid accumulation. Due to the over fluid accumulation, the body build up and fish will bloat on the surface and scales will protrude out. It is a main symptom of dropsy disease. This disease mainly affects the weakened fish and possibly under poor water quality conditions. Symptoms as earlier said, swelling around stomach area, then protruding scales. Treatment is fairly curable. There is a treatment for dropsy, prolonged bath in tetracycline at 10 to 20 mg per liter and raise the water temperature to 30 degrees Celsius for 5 days bath. The second treatment is removing the excess fluid from the fish using a hypodermic syringe, but it is very dangerous. If it is done with utmost care, the fish will die at the spot. This is the picture of fishes infected with dropsy, we can see that the scales are protruded out and fish will be in a swollen shape. Coming to tail rot or fin rot, the causative organism is Pseudomonas fluorescens. This is a main disease causing all the ornamental fishes. This is due to mainly poor water quality condition or fin nipping tangmate. Symptoms: first, disintegration of fins from the edges. It starts from the fin edge and finally gradually or disappears the fin completely. Second one, blood on edges of the fin and cloudy eyes. These are the main symptom of fin rot or tail rot disease. Treatment is 45 minutes bath treatment in potassium permanganate at the rate 2 mg per liter. Second one, prolonged bath for 2 days with tetracycline at 15 mg per liter. These are the two treatment methods available for tail rot or fin rot. This is a picture for the tail rot affected fishes. Coming to next category, that is fungal diseases. First one, saprolegniasis, caused by the organism Saprolegnia. This fungal infection follows some other health problems like injury or parasitic attack or bacterial infection. If left untreated, the growth will become cottony-like structure and eventually it eat away the fish and finally fish completely dies. The symptoms: first, cotton-like growth. That is the first symptom of saprolegnia fungus. Cotton-like structure, or maybe in the fin, or maybe in the tail, or on the gill structure of the fish. Treatment: prolonged bath for 2 days in methylene blue at 3 mg per liter. Then, if the fungal infection is, there is a chance of fungal infection attack on fish egg also. So we have to treat the eggs with 3 to 5 mg methylene blue to avoid this saprolegnia fungal infection. This is the picture of fish affected with saprolegnia. You can see a cotton-like structure on the dorsal side of the fish. Next one, Ethiosporidium. It is another fungus, mainly infers internally. This fungus internally affects the kidney and liver of the fish, and due to this kidney and liver infection, the fish becomes sluggish, lose balance, show hollow bellies, and eventually show external cyst or sore. Treatment is difficult. It is better to destroy the infected fish as early as possible. Ethiosporidium infected fish. You can see a lot of sores on the dorsal side of the fish. Next one, viral disease, Lymphocystis. This is an iridovirus causing Lymphocystis disease in ornamental fishes. This disease is also known as Lymphocystis disease virus, LCDV. The symptoms: a cauliflower-like structure will grow on fins and tails of the fish. It is a main symptom of Lymphocystis virus disease. Treatment: it is a rare disease, so unfortunately there is no proper treatment for this Lymphocystis disease virus. There are two suggested methods. One is destroy, that means remove and destroy the infected fish as early as possible, or second treatment is we can separate the fish from the group and hope for remission, which usually does occur. These are the two treatment methods available for Lymphocystis. You can see a cauliflower-like structure on the body of the fish. This is a main symptom of Lymphocystis virus. Thank you.